Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Motif Investing, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin connecting with Motif Investing, visit the official Motif Investing website. Once on the home page, look for the option to create an account. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button to initiate the registration process. Make sure to enter your email address and create a secure password. After filling in your details, locate the Next or Continue button and click on it. You will then be prompted to provide personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Input all required information accurately, as this is essential for identity verification. Next, you will need to answer a series of questions regarding your investment experience and financial situation. These questions help Motif tailor services to your specific needs and goals. Once you've completed the questionnaire, review your answers for accuracy. If everything looks correct, move forward by clicking on the Submit button. You may receive an email requiring confirmation of your new account. Check your inbox and follow the link provided to verify your email address. With your email confirmed, return to the Motif Investing website to log in. Enter your credentials on the login page and click on the Login button. After logging in, you can browse the range of Motifs available for investment. You'll find themed portfolios of stocks, aligned with various sectors and market trends. Choose a Motif that resonates with your investment strategy or interests. Click on the chosen Motif to learn more about its performance and underlying assets. If you decide to invest, look for the Invest Now button on the Motif page. You'll have the option to adjust your investment amount before finalizing your purchase. Review the terms and conditions, along with any associated fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm your investment by clicking on the Confirm button. Your investment should now be processed, and you will receive a confirmation email. To monitor your investment, return to your dashboard where you can track performance. Explore additional resources and tools provided by Motif to enhance your investing knowledge. Continuously assess your investment strategy and make adjustments based on market trends. Stay informed through the updates and insights available on the Motif platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.